Mazda 6 that I basically saved from the grave. So you can see there's a lot of extensive damage underneath the bumper cover. Right in here, this is where the retainer goes. This is all pushed in. It's hard enough to make this correct with conventional repairs, let alone what I did was paintless dent repair. This is one that I would call an improvement repair. You can spend a whole lot more time on it depending on the customer's budgets and expectations. This is with the bumper on the car. This is with the car, detrimmed and looking on the inside. Here's mid repair. You can even see my old school reflection board. Fog board is what we call it. And here's the end results. Came out really nice, not perfect, but the customer's expectations wasn't for a perfect repair. It was to try to make it livable or get it close enough to where we could skim coat it and paint just the quarter panel versus replacing the structural panel. But anyway, if you have anything, when in doubt, give us a call, send us some pictures. This is Eddie with the Dent Devils Mobile Paintless Dent Repair of San Diego.